Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section, as you know it, we previously did, we check a number if it is Armstrong number of modes, and this is algorithm of it. But this time we'll do same thing, but this time we'll not input any number. Just I want to calculate from 1 until 1 million how many Armstrong numbers we have, and I just want to list of them. So maybe we can copy previously these things in order to make it very fast. And let's copy and come here. Or maybe we'll not copy, right from the beginning is better, I think. Now what I'm going to do, I will just create two loops within each other. First is I. It will start from 1 and until we say 1 million, until 1 million. I think this is 1 million maybe, I didn't see well. Let's create the second loop, and the second loop, it will start also from 1, and this is will get the length of A. Cannot get it, so what we can do here, let me think. I will convert to string, and then length is like this, maybe is quite good. If it is, for example, 100, first we'll convert to the string, and then the length of it, it will be 3, 100, 3 digits. It's like this. Yeah, and then now what we did, like before, I need here for each, I will create a double, and I will call it total. I will set it 0. And here we say var value, and we'll convert to integer. What will convert our I number, because we have to get each time. 1 minute, how we can do it. Let me think. I can do like this string temp I dot to string. Maybe like this we can get the numbers. And I will say temp j, and this should be 0 because it will start from 0, and we have to convert to string like before. This is, we get our number. For example, if I write 153, if this is my temp is like let's say 153, and this 0 temp, it will be 1, and then we'll just convert to string, then to integer, and then we'll get the 1. This is like this, and now we say total equal total plus math value power our length, and our length, it will be temp to length. It will be like this. And now after this one, I just want to put my condition here. I will say if temp equal total So temp is string and total is double. I have to convert to string. Then I will say temp is an Armstrong number delete this one, this is extra, and as just copy this one and paste here is not an Armstrong number, is like this. Then we need a counter here, because in order to calculate how many Armstrong number we have it, here I will declare integer as a counter. I'll say counter, I set a 0, and then when it is Armstrong number, I will increase 1 by 1, is like this. And of course, this is when our loop continues, but in the end we have to get our counter, how many Armstrong number we have it. I will say console write line from let's put here from 1 until 1 million. We have, maybe for example, if 100 Armstrong numbers, it is like this. This is something like this, and I'm not sure it's going to work properly or not. Our total, we don't need to anything each time. Yeah, I think maybe it's going to work. Let's first run it. Maybe it's not. Let's put here 500. Let's see it. There is a problem here. Let's see what is the problem. Let's put a breakpoint here. First I will write 153. Sorry guys, I made terrible mistake, because sometimes I don't focus it. Because this, it will attempt for each number. If it is not, it always print also this one. For example, if until 50, you say not. If it is Armstrong, you say Armstrong. So we don't need this as. I will just simply remove this one like this. Yeah. Now we say, for example, let's until 10,000, and we check our list, because our algorithm is working. There is no problem here. Now let's run it, and let's check from the internet, is it true or not. How many we have? It's just 129, then 153, 370, 75. Yeah, I think it is true. It's working properly. We have no problem here. And now let's put 1 million here. And this is, I guess is 1 million. And let's run it, and how it is, how many it will find it, and how long. Is it that much fast? We have 20 Armstrong numbers. Wow. Maybe I can put 10 million. Sorry. Until 10 million, we have a 24 Armstrong number. And let's put, this is 101 billion. Let's do until 1 billion. Sorry, I changed a lot of modification. And let's This one also I changed, not million, let's name it billion. Let's do like this and let's run it. Yeah, it's just checking because it depends of our PC speed at CPU, how you have strong one or not. Can you imagine if a person just try to do by hands without computer? If I want to calculate from 1 until 1 billion, how many Armstrong numbers we have it? I think a lifetime will not be enough, but computer can do in very short time. It is really amazing. I will be waiting until this is done. Maybe I will put a pause to the video. Sorry. I think we are very close to 1 billion. I'm just waiting for it. And I will also check the internet if anybody has ever tried. Maybe I'm the first. I don't know, maybe it exists, but I just want to see the largest Armstrong number in the internet. Whoever did this calculation, almost it got 15 minutes so far, but it will be to 1 billion. Just waiting for it until it's done. So far, I don't know how many numbers we have. It's from 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So far 31 Armstrong number exists from 1 until 1 billion. And let's wait until this is done. Because my algorithm is not very kind of like advanced or professional. I just did in a hurry, you know. Because we can create a way that it will be more performed. It will just calculate faster than this one. Because here we have a lot of conversion. For example, here from char to string, then from string to integer. So that's why it is functioning very slowly, but still it's just my brother's computer is a game computer, so it's really fast. So now we wait for the results, and hopefully soon it will be done, and then we see how many we have it. And also I will check the internet, what is the largest Armstrong number in the internet. As you see, that is done, because I think it's somehow stuck in this number. As you see that from 1 until 1 billion we have 31 Armstrong numbers. This is the last. And I checked the internet, I found this one. Of course, people they tried before me, even larger number. But if I can put for maybe more than a billion, then I have to wait for maybe a few hours to reach this number. As you see, that is something like this is, I think, is really amazing. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video, and please, if you like it, subscribe my channel, and see you next video. Bye.